recording. Gosh, it's hell. Fuck. Now fall. Like out of nowhere. I know. Yeah. Gonna drop at 5, 4, 3.
You dropped it, you're gonna be fucking pissed.
Here, stick this in that pocket.
There's no room.
Hurry, Lindsay. Come on, Lindsay.
There was a bunch of snow. I'm afraid.
Just go. If you fall, oh well. It's fun. Bailey, are you texting Jordan?
Yeah.
Okay. Dang, guys. Are you guys not ready to go back?
We need to go to Jordan's house and get him.
Wait. See, it's fun either way, even though it's that's bad. That's cold. Oh, to be able to hear you guys, you had to talk louder.
Oh, dang.
I bet you can't dodge the tree. No! You can't come towards me when you're out there.
Trade me.
No!
I'm cold.
I don't give a fuck.
I do.
No!
Give me a shirt though.
No, it's mine. I'm gonna do this. Hey, let me see that.
Don't lose my phone. Put on a corner.
Let me see that real quick. Shut your face! It's not gonna do anything, trust me! Bailey, shut up! Just trust me! Shut your face! Bailey! Screw a monkey! The pocket was zipped anyway, so you need to stop complaining. Your face is big.
Thanks.
Are you guys ready? I'm really cold.
Yeah, my fingers are like numb.
Are you guys? I can't feel mine.